Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making macaroons. What you will need: 150 grams of ground almonds, 250 grams of sifted icing sugar, seeds of 2 split vanilla pods, 2 large egg whites, and red, green and yellow food colouring. For the buttercream, you will need 140 grams of butter softened, 280 grams of icing sugar sieved, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 drops of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven and line 3 baking trays with grease-proof paper. Sieve your icing sugar into the bowl. Add in your almonds and vanilla. Now whisk your egg whites until they become firm. Now fold your egg whites in. Split your mixture into 3 bowls like this, then add red, yellow and green into each bowl. Now pipe your macaroon. Now we are going to make the buttercream. The first thing you want to do is add your butter into the bowl and then whisk it until it's smooth. Now add half of your icing sugar, but make sure to sieve it. Now whisk it until it becomes smooth. Now add in your other half with a tablespoon of milk. Now add in your vanilla extract. Now we are going to sandwich our macaroons together. To do this, you're going to take the bottom of your macaroon with a little bit of buttercream, and then you're going to take the top and push it together. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.